Hello and welcome back to AI Freelancers. We're here to guide you on your journey to successfully use AI in freelancing and content creation. Today, we have an exciting topic: how to make money online writing high-quality blogs using AI, specifically ChatGPT. And the best part? It won't cost you a penny to start. So let's dive in. First stop, Medium. This online publishing platform is a favorite among writers and readers alike. Medium has a partner program where writers can earn money when Medium members engage with their content. Joining the program is a piece of cake. Simply log into your Medium account, click on your profile picture, select Medium Partner Program, and follow the on-screen instructions to join. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. It's free to sign up. Once you're in the Medium Partner Program, it's time to get your AI writing assistant, ChatGPT. Visit the ChatGPT website and create a free account. Yes, you heard it right, free. Moving on to step 3, let's get to creating some content. Here's how it's done. Imagine you want to write a blog post on the impact of AI on e-commerce. Your ChatGPT prompt could be something like this. Title: The Impact of AI on E-commerce. Keywords: predictive analytics, customer service chatbots, personalized shopping, inventory management. Please write a 1,500-word blog post highlighting the role of AI in the modern e-commerce landscape, exploring its benefits and challenges, and predicting future trends. Input that into ChatGPT. The AI then uses this information to create an engaging and informative blog post, fitting to your desired topic. Remember, the aim is to be specific with your prompts, which can help guide the AI to generate content more closely aligned with your vision. Also, the word count mentioned in the prompt is just a suggestion. The AI will continue to generate content until you're satisfied. After ChatGPT generates your blog post, review and edit the content as needed. The AI is powerful, but your human touch ensures the content's quality and originality. Happy with your AI-powered blog? Brilliant! Now let's get it out there. Post it on Medium under the Partner Program to start generating earnings. You can also explore other blogging platforms that share ad revenue with content creators. There you go! You've published your first AI-generated blog post. Now sit back and watch the engagement and earnings roll in. The more you post, the more you'll earn. So, let's recap. 1. Join the Medium Partner Program. 2. Create a free account with ChatGPT. 3. Ask ChatGPT to write a blog for you. 4. Review and edit the generated blog post. 5. Publish it online. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Regularly generate and publish high-quality blog posts to increase your audience engagement and your earnings. If you found this video helpful, consider hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay tuned for more videos about innovative ways to use AI tools for freelancing and content creation. We've got plenty more tips, tricks, and insights to share with you. And that wraps up today's guide. Thank you for tuning into AI Freelancers, where we're all about harnessing the power of AI for freelance success. Until next time, keep creating and innovating.